All right, so last section of this worksheet is graphing the quadrilateral ABCD using each set of given points. Determine if quadrilateral ABCD can be best described as a trapezoid, a square, a rectangle, or a rhombus. So I'm just going to draw you what a trapezoid is again. We just did it, but you know, trapezoids look like this or like that. These are trapezoids. They have one pair of parallel sides. That's the important feature, is that they have one pair of parallel sides. A square, I believe you guys know what a square is. It has all four equal sides and all four right angles. A rectangle is a longer square, so two pairs of equal sides. So those are equal, and it's all right angles. And last but not least is a rhombus. So rhombus is kind of like a square, where you have all four equal sides. I'm trying to draw it equal, but it looks kind of not. All four sides are equal in a rhombus. It's just a little bit smushed. So think of it like a diamond, okay? So a rhombus has all four equal sides, but they are not right angles. Not right angles, but all four equal sides. All right, let's take a look at graphing all of this. So we have -5, 6. So that's my A. And then -8, 2. That's my B. C is -5, -2. And then D is -2, 2. Okay, so let me connect all these points. Okay, that doesn't look very connected from here to here. Okay, from here to here, here to here, and here to here. Okay, so immediately to me, this looks kind of like a diamond, but I just want to make sure that all four sides are actually equal so that we can say if it's actually a rhombus. And so one way you can do this is literally by using the distance formula on each of these, but you also don't have to. You can literally just count to see if their slopes are similar enough. So let's take a look at the slope between A and B. So I'm just going to compare this and this. So how many up do you have to go? Looks like 4 up. And how many right do you have to go? 3. Okay, I'm going to compare that now to AD. So over here to here. So how many right do you have to go? 3. And how many down do you have to go? 4. So I know that the angles, not the angles, these two lines, they have very similar slopes. It's up 4 and then either right or left 3. So I know that they are the same length. Because even though they're facing different ways, they're just mirror images of each other. Your height in a mirror is still your height. Okay, so these lengths are exactly the same. Let's take a look at the bottom half of the four-sided shape, bottom half of our quadrilateral. How long are these? So if you count the boxes, here's 4 and here's 3. So we know that this is also the same length. So we have 3 sides that at least have the same length. Let's take a look at the fourth side. I can see that here is a 3 and here is a 4. So as you can see, all 4 of these side lengths have some variation of the slope of rising 4 and running 3, whether it's positive or negative, but that lets you know that all 4 sides are the exact same length because they're all just a mirror reflection of each other in some way. So since we have all 4 sides the same length, we can either have a square or a rhombus. Oops. Sorry, I don't know what. Oh no. Okay, let me pause the video until my thing comes back. Okay, sorry about that. I don't know why that happens sometimes, but like we were saying, it's either a square or a rhombus. So let's take a look at the angles. Are these angles right angles? Do they all look the exact same? No. This angle is noticeably smaller than this angle. So this one is a smaller angle, this one's a bigger angle. So since we don't have all 4 right angles, this is actually a rhombus. Remember, in a square, all the angles have to be equal and they all have to be 90 degrees. They all have to be perpendicular. Here we do not have that, so this is a rhombus. Okay, let's try number 6 together now. So we have the point A, which is at 8, 8. Sorry, the numbers look a little bit weirder in this one, but it is what it is. And then we have 3, -7. We have 10, -6. And we have 13, 3. Oops, they're over here. Wait. I think I made a mistake on my top point. 8, 8 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Okay, it's supposed to be there. My bad. I was like, why does it look a little bit off? It's so hard to graph sometimes. So if you make that mistake too, don't worry. I just made a mistake. It's okay. We just correct it. That looks better now. Okay. And last side. Okay. So I don't know about you, but that does not look like a square. It also doesn't look like a rectangle. You can tell that all 4 sides do not look like they have the same length. So what must this be? This must be that shape that I'm trying to point out, that shape, which is a trapezoid. So hopefully that was helpful to you. I believe that was it for our examples. Yes, that was it for our examples. So call me over into your breakout rooms if you have any questions. And other than that, good luck for the rest of the worksheet. You guys got this.